in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts, and they sat with the bars. I got
Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing. I wish it was different what it was. So you want me to give you my mistake. Said you wanted every piece of me. You don't wanna give me now tonight. I just kinda wanna take it away.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I just want to say welcome to those who are new and welcome back to all my old subscribers. I want to say a huge thank you to all my 73 subscribers, because I mean, you guys didn't have to come over here, you guys didn't have to support nor interact with my videos, but you guys are here and I'm grateful for that. I'm not sure what this vlog is going to comprise of. I just looked at the phone and I decided that I'm going to do a vlog, so just bear with me and let us see where this video is going to take us. I definitely need to eat something. I haven't ate from morning because listen, when I say my coming yesterday was Friday and I haven't slept until 7 o'clock this morning and I did not go anywhere. But just couldn't sleep last night and I don't know what. And the way on my time make me get up and decide to make a wash. I'm gonna start washing 4 o'clock this morning. Jesus, what? I started watching 4 o'clock this morning. I'm gonna finish like 6:18, I think, yeah, something like that. But yeah, and when I do, so I close my eyes, it was like 7 o'clock, and I didn't get up back until about 10 o'clock when I called my phone. And right now, I think it's like about 1 o'clock. I'm not sure, but hold on. So, look on the time, it's 35. Anyhow, so that's that. I got up and I took a bath, and I went ahead and I straightened up my room. So I got those out of the way, so it's now just for me to just go ahead and get something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat as yet. I don't know if I want to make breakfast for lunch or I just want to go ahead and get the food. So I don't know yet, but I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me whether or not I'll make breakfast or lunch or buy food. So just stay tuned. Do I have anything else I want to say? No, I don't. But anyway, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so you know my favorite place, but so you put the box on like you. So cute.
Play much today, you know? This is not money good.
Just to play how much for that?
Yeah, that's not good.
I dust off these niggas, do it for fun. Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me.
So I'm taking you guys through the day with me, showing you guys my get rid of me process from where, and just showing you everything else I'm trying to do with me, you know? Yeah, I already went ahead and ironed my clothes, spread my bed and all of that, so all I need to do now is take a shower, brush my teeth, and then pretty much just jump in our clothes and all that. I'm not making breakfast this morning, nor any other morning, because I'm not a breakfast girl, sorry to say. I just can't eat so early in the morning. I normally choosing around like 11 to 12 when I should be looking forward to lunch, but that's the time when I feel more comfortable to have something, but I don't know why. None of me alone say so, but I just almost there. So anyhow, now do all of that and then come back to it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. and to tell a friend, and also don't forget to comment your guys video suggestions and so forth.
My account, my DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit the these niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in the race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in cave.
I went ahead and tie my blouse because a blouse away, colors. What you? So I had to tie my blouse before I put my hair in order for hair not to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my skirt. Shorts. So I have everything. Yeah. You see that's in the house, and I had to cut the vlog there because one, Rinda drew, so I'm gonna go and take them harder and hold me in the house, and two, my phone decides to write a story saying what else? So now I'm at work. I didn't even get to show you guys my, what do you call it, my fragrance of the day, but I put a clip here just showing you the fragrance or a picture. And what else? Yeah, oh, I'm gonna show you guys our outfit of the day. So this is my outfit of the day. It's just a simple little burgundy blouse with a black skirt. I'm giving you guys a 180 so you guys can see, with my black stocking and my black shoes. That's just all. So that's pretty much that. But I don't have much to do. I just have one call to make and put a document on file, and that is it for now. I think I want to go to check on something, and then I think that would be pretty much that until about around 12 o'clock. If there's anything else, I would then take out the camera and show you guys that and so on. So just stick around for the rest of the video, okay?
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on the daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, better know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Now, just come down. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could beg? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. I got
So it's Sunday and I have ice cream. That man, sir, him first me. Yeah. So, I don't know him a bit. Yeah. More like a grape nut. Yeah. They have here's a grape nut, cone and topic cone.
Not my pups.
waste time. I'm on it like do it all the time. Keep your guards up, we'll wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me in my demons. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself.
wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts.